Welcome to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Ngisho namagutsumela phakathi. Ishapu kahle. Welcome back to Party Slayers with Lapush. It's nice, it's lovely. Kuno music oshaya like in oya miyayikhumbula ne mari asikho lapho. Sino sis, how are you my sister?
Ngiyaphila unjani sisi?
Yeah, right. How do you feel about the music?
Yo yazi ngahle umuntu wami bekalana inkinga ngihamba nomngane wami manje like ngifeel ngathi ngambiza ngithi come baby uzozwa into lana emonanti nje it's like it
Like uyamkhumbula ne?
like yazini ne ngithi nje mangahlangana naye ngabele ngimuthi cha ngimlove.
That's for the soul music.
Nje uyangathi
Okay, how do you feel about it and how the experience? How's the experience here?
ile nawo indawo right of which is ufeel free nezinto zakho mawuzibekile ne awuworry because uhlala yabona abomahrots abomaqanda understand phela thina singabomaqanda babahrots understand that thing so manje siphetheke njengamaqanda but anyway i-drinks siyazithengela sithi masingena nje uyabona nawe isithombe sinjengendaba ngisipili
Sisi uyazithengela i-drink. Noma amakrotmani angeza mara i-drink uyazithengela. So this is Party Stairs with Lapush. Sino my sister uthi my girls zithengeleni ama-drinks before amagutsumela
ikanje kanjalo uyenza itafula ibe njengendaba bazoza bomagidzi.
Yeah, siyabonga sisi. This is Party Stairs with Lapush. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Love you, baby. Thank you.